So today we're installing the Bulletpoint mounting system on the FJ. Going to use it to hold my phone, GoPros, there's a few other accessories, and maybe a drone remote. But we'll take a look. So essentially, just going to go right here on the vents. Obviously before, we got to get this guy out of here that I've been using. And you can see this thing just would always kind of flop around and wasn't great for a phone. But for $15 on Amazon, not bad. So with the set, you get a couple tools, some wrenches, looks like even a keychain. We'll get into that. This is going to be the actual Rubber system through Bulletpoint. You can see, looks nice and sturdy. Have the mounting ball that we'll get set up in there. Base for the GoPros. Foam mount. The arm, which we'll put together. Dual mount for the GoPros. Essentially, there's just these screws that we're going to take out. Be sure not to lose them.
Train your bugs.
All right, so once it's apart, we'll set that aside. You can see we're going to have to screw this in. So we'll go mark the points. Get our Rubber grid back up there. So for the next part, try to get in here. We're going to find our holes. So it came with some self-tapping screws. So I think that should be enough. And then I'll get these little plastic pieces out of here. Yep, so we got our holes lined up. And then we'll just go right back into the pilot holes. That cracked a little bit right there, which I have no plans of getting rid of this car or this mounting system, but I'll show you what I mean. So screws are in there. Right there you can see it's just barely cracked. It doesn't appear to mess with the functionality at all. So that's the first step. All right, let's go put this thing together. All right, so we're gonna put the arms together. We got them here. I'll try to keep you guys in frame. But I suppose if you needed it, they put these in there, just a QR code for installation. Seems pretty self-explanatory though on these, so we're gonna loosen this up. Get it in, and then simply tighten it back down. And then we'll do the same thing with the other side. I'm gonna go right in here. So loosen it up. Just enough to get the ball in there. Once the ball's in, tighten it back up. There's that arm. This is just gonna go in there essentially. We're gonna tighten it down. Let's give that a go. They give you a couple little tools to do this with. So I'll use them versus having to go back into the garage. All right, well, the first one was kind of a pain, so let's go to the garage, see what we can find to maybe hurry this up a little bit. That should do it. What's up, kid?
Like that.
Yes.
Can you help me take off my helmet?
Yep. Go eat. Just like that. Good there, and then where's our GoPro? So, all right, I believe that's going to be it for up here. Now, all right, so the last thing we have to do, slide this back on, and then just put our screws in. All right, there we go. Let's take a look at it. So we'll essentially be able to take either of the GoPros, slide them in that mount, one forward, one backwards. Phone holds up there nice. All right, all in all, pretty easy install. If you weren't trying to film it for YouTube, you could probably do it 10 minutes tops, I think. I'd say in an FJ, be careful with your pilot holes, especially 18-year-old plastic, because it might crack on you. All right, so that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. I think you're supposed to smash a button. Helps the channel grow. All right, see you guys later.